Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me iMac A2116, and now I'm going to show you how to check the serial number of this device. To do that, you need to click on your Apple logo on the left corner of your screen, and here now press on your keyboard on Option button, and as you can see, items will be changed, and here we will see System Information. So click on the System Information button, and here you'll see all info of your device, and here we have even serial number, and this is my serial number, as you can see. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.